In anticipation of the conclusion of discussions with UK regulators, Microsoft and Activision Blizzard have agreed to prolong their merger agreement. After missing the initial contract deadline yesterday, both sides now have until October 18th to complete the purchase. "The transaction is good for competition, players, and the future of gaming," tweeted Lulu Cheng-Meservey, Activision Blizzard's CCO and EVP of Corporate Affairs. "The recent decision in the US and approvals in 40 countries all validate that the deal is good for competition, players, and the future of gaming," she added. The Activision Blizzard and Microsoft boards of directors have given the firms permission to postpone terminating the agreement until after October 18th in light of international regulatory approvals and the company's belief that CMA now acknowledges there are remedies available to address their concerns in the UK.